What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am Billy Collins, your host of Cocktails and Conjuring. Today, my guest, one of my good friends, badass drummer, badass bartender, Mr. Ray Wagner. Ray, what's happening, buddy?
Nothing much, man. Ready to make some good drinks.
Yeah, what are we making today?
We are going to make my version of a key lime martini.
Key lime martini, another dessert drink that is probably, I did a chocolate martini, but I think the key lime is my favorite. It's refreshing. So, but first, guys, before we get started, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. Ray, can you point up that way for me?
Right here.
Yeah, go ahead and hit that notification bell. I got videos. By hitting that bell, you'll be notified when I post a video. Also, guys, if you could do me a favor, check out the link below in the description for my affiliate with Barfly. If you want some of the best bar gear and products, check them out. It's classy, it's sexy. You're gonna be the best looking bartender, best looking host by just purchasing some of that stuff. Also, by buying from them, you can help out the channel because even though you don't pay me, they will. So guys, here we go. All right, guys, before we start building this drink, or Ray builds this drink, we're gonna have a little discussion about the history of the key lime martini. And well, I looked up shit, Ray looked up shit. We couldn't find shit on the key lime martini, nothing. The closest we could find is that it was actually created in the late 1990s, early 2000s with the martini craze of the Cosmos and the Appletinis. That's all I could find about it. And I spent most of the day, which pretty much means I'm a loser because that's all I did. So, but anyway, guys, we're gonna go over the tools that we're gonna need for this drink. Ray, tell the people what we're gonna need for this.
So the obvious ones, we're definitely gonna need a shaker, a mixing glass, a chigger, just so we can get good measurements, get the right amount of each liquor and each ingredient.
And guys, remember we use a 1.5 by 1/2 ounce.
That's right. Some big ice cubes, some big rocks, definitely helps everything mix a little better. As far as liquor goes, the most important is the vanilla infused vodka. Always gives it the tastiest taste. Some fresh key lime juice. I like to use rum chata to give it a little bit of graham cracker taste, a little bit of cinnamon. Some heavy whipping cream just to kind of mix everything together and give it a cream consistency. And of course, some simple syrup just to sweeten everything up because after all, this is a dessert martini.
It is a dessert martini. And I chose the Smirnoff brand because they are the original creators of the infused vodkas, whether it be raspberry or vanilla or whatever the case may be. They're the ones that came up with it. So I kind of wanted to stay within tradition of that. Plus, vodka, really, guys, if you really want to break it down, vodka's vodka. I know people think it's, oh, I can tell the difference. Trust me, it's not that much different. So let's go ahead and build this drink, Ray.
Let's do it.
I'm going to give you that right there.
First things first, what I would usually do, I would take my simple syrup, which we're going to do a full 1.5 ounces. I like mine super sweet. A little bit of a girly drinker here.
That's fine. That's fine.
Do what you got to do. So we're going to go ahead and do a full 1.5 ounces.
Yeah, that pours a little slow. Sorry about that.
She's a little clogged, but that's a good thing. That means it's nice and sugary. We're going to take a full thing of that, and what we would do usually is mix that, and we would muddle 5 to 6 to 7 limes. We don't have to do that, luckily, since we have the fresh lime juice. So we'll do that next.
Freshly squeezed. Always use fresh squeeze. Don't buy that store-bought shit. I'll come and break your shakers.
So we're just going to use a 1/2 ounce of that. It can get pretty strong, so we just want to make sure that we're getting that nice key lime taste. Let's Put that off to the side. And then I'm gonna do, all these are usually equal parts for me. I'll do 1.5 ounces of the vanilla vodka, 1.5 ounces of the rum chata, 1.5 ounces of the simple syrup, and then go 1/2 ounce of the whipping cream, 1/2 ounce of the lime.
Yeah, because the whipping cream and the rum chata is kind of like a cream base. Correct. Anyway.
Exactly. And so we'll get the vanilla vodka, get 1.5 ounces of that. Always nice to hear liquor going into a glass.
So beautiful.
Yeah.
It's relaxing because you know what the hell's about to happen.
That's right. This is my favorite ingredient in almost anything. We use it in tiramisu martinis. I put it a little bit in my chocolate martinis, definitely in the key lime martini. This is something that not a lot of other people do, but I like it. I think it tastes delicious.
Rum chata is great. It's got that cinnamon taste to it.
That's 1/2 of that. And then the last but not least, we'll go with the heavy whipping cream. And we'll do 1/2 ounce of that because it's really just more about consistency. I'll set that right there.
So now you're going to go ahead and use the tongs here. We use the tongs, people. Remember, we don't spread herpes or COVID. So we're going to take the tongs and just go ahead and put our cubes in there. We'll just do 3. They're big ones.
Sounds good. So what we'll do.
What are we going to do?
For me, martinis, I don't know, Billy. I think you should let it have it.
Hey, look. Just shake that puppy up.
That's right. Shake that puppy up.
How long do you shake this?
For me, even with any martinis, I always do it until I really feel the
chill on the
chill
glass.
of the glass.
Yeah.
Almost where my hand sticks to it. That's how I know it's done. But you definitely want it to mix well because if not, heavy cream and lime juice or lemon juice always gets a little crazy.
Sorry guys, I forgot the strainer.
And so what we did in the martini glasses, Billy went ahead and chilled the martini glass. He used honey around the rim instead of lime juice, and it definitely looks like it grabbed that graham cracker a little bit better. Nice. And then we did graham cracker edge. And so we'll take this, put that to the side, and just strain right in. Nice and thick and creamy. And what I always garnish it with is not necessarily a lime wedge, but a
lime wheel.
A lime wheel, because wheels are better than wedges.
And it's got a lime. Guys, look at that thing. Can I taste it?
Absolutely.
I gotta taste it. I haven't tasted your key limes yet. Holy shit. I swear to God, that tastes just like a key lime pie. I mean, there's no doubt about that.
That's one of my best ones I've ever made.
And the graham cracker rim of that and the honey. Whew.
That's a good drink.
That's delicious.
You could drink about 5 of those and you won't walk for the rest of the day.
Oh, you're getting ready to make me another one. So we have 2 glasses there, chilled just for this purpose, guys. So guys, that is a key lime martini. It is absolutely delicious. I highly recommend. It's got a little bit more ingredients than your usual martini, but it's well worth it. Ray, thanks, buddy.
My pleasure, man.
I appreciate you coming in and showing the people how to make this. I mean, it is really delicious. Delicious. All right, guys, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit the, do all the fun stuff. Do all the subscribe, all that fun stuff. Give us a thumbs up. Go ahead. Give us a thumbs up. Who cares?
You can do it in real life, too, if you want to. I mean, you can go thumbs up.
Yeah, thumbs up. Guys, I will see you on the next video.